Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how we should treat people with certain disabilities. It can be learning, it can be physical, it can be any kind of disability. So stay tuned. Now, first off, we must understand that when somebody has a disability, we must treat them with love and care, regardless of who they are. It's very important because love is what will heal them. Many a times what happens is when somebody has a disability, for example, if somebody has a learning disability and when they're in school and people make fun of them, it is actually killing their confidence and trust in themselves. Now, I have personally gone through this. There's nothing to be ashamed of. So I have gone through this. People would make fun of me because I had certain learning disabilities, and that would kind of affect my confidence and that would affect my self-esteem. I would feel very low about myself most of the time, and it would just affect me in a very big way. I would come home and cry sometimes, and it was a mess. Like, I used to feel so bad about it. Now, when somebody has a disability, we must always lift them up, and if we cannot lift them up, at least don't pull them down. Do not make people who have certain problems feel like they have those problems, and that becomes a hindrance for that person. It affects them mentally, it affects them emotionally. It is literally very bad to make fun of people who have problems or who have disabilities or who have any kind of problem. Not just disabilities, any kind of problem. Just because somebody has disabilities and cannot get good marks or cannot do certain things, that doesn't mean that they are not good people. They have other good qualities in them, and we must learn to look through the veil of marks. Marks is just a number, and even otherwise, if somebody has a physical disability or handicap, we must not make fun of them because they are already feeling bad about it, and if we make more fun and we make them feel even more bad about it, it's going to hurt them, it's going to affect them in a very bad way. It is actually, it's very demotivating for a person to listen to somebody insulting them based on how they've been made. It's very sad. And all I'm saying through this video is that we must lift people who have problems so that they can have a better future and not pull them down. Pulling down someone is just going to, make life hell for that person. That person will stop trusting in themselves. And for the people who are disabled and are watching this, please understand that, your disability can never stop you from doing anything great in your life. You can do whatever you like, and you can excel to to a whole new level. To those who are disabled, a disability doesn't define who you are. You are going to be great someday, and it's just when the day you realize that you're going to be great, your life is going to change forever. And to the ones who are making fun, please be more sensitive, and please understand that some people are going through certain things and we are no one to judge. That's all for this video. I hope you guys like this video. Do share it, do subscribe. I want everyone to get the maximum benefit out of all the content that I make, and I do this daily. So stay tuned every day and keep watching. Peace, much love.